Hi folks, hey, check it out. This just arrived. Finally got it. But you know what? I got to investigate this. This don't seem to be the right one. I don't know. I don't think it's going to fit in here. I hope it's got a lot of styrofoam in it because it's supposed to be the same thing that I already have. I just ordered another one. Okay, here's the nub bolts. And let me close this up because we don't want no accidents to happen here. And let's see. Oh, okay. Now we're right. I don't know why they have that big size in there. But, okay, let's look at this thing and see. Oh, yeah, this battery is going to be, it's going to boost me up to 2,400 watt hours. Okay, let's get 12.9. See that? 12.9. Hope you can see it. 12.93. That's great. Now, what we're going to do, oh shit. Anyway, what we're going to do is we've got to cut the solar off, unhook the solar, and we can hook this up. Aha! Got my cords here. Some cables I made up. And all we have to do is set this in here and wire it up. I'm going to take this and set it right here. And then, well, let me go get the batteries first. Let me unhook the solar first. Aha! And I got to flip a couple of switches to disengage what it is powering. And we're going to cut the inverter off. Now, I think we can get to work here. It just all of a sudden showed up. There you go. Now, let's get what we need to do the deal. Oh, that's wrong. I don't know how often you. This is not good enough. Got to have the one with the. Yep, that'll work. Now we take these off. Might be able to use these for something one day. Definitely want to keep those. Now, ground to ground. Hot to hot. Simple as that. Okay, now. Oh, whoa, let's go. Now I have these right here to, this is going to be my hot because I got it indicated by the red. This is the ground. I got to figure out, is this big enough? If it's big enough, I won't have. All right. Whoo! I thought I was gonna have to do some work. Anyway. Okay. Now, you know, I how did I get rid of that? I've been using my using this system to set up my Christmas lights. Yeah, I got them up, but I don't. I'm not going to pay utility for that. So yeah. And I was out in the garage the other day, and I was looking through some stuff, and I found this. When I used to run a chicken, had in a little chicken coop, I had a little timer. It's a little 12-volt timer because I had 12-volt lights in my chicken coop, so they would get 14 hours. And this is a nice little thing. And you can, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to put this over here, so it will put it in here. So I'm going to have a 12-volt lighter plug coming out of it, so I can run my Christmas lights. My Christmas lights are run on 12 volts. They're 12-volt LED lights, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have that hooked up, and we're going to do it like that. Now, when you're working in a confined place, there it is. Okay, so we're going to do this one at a time so we know what we're doing. Because we always want to know what we're doing, because if we don't know what we're doing, we won't know when we finish, right? Those long screws. Woo. Get this started, and then we can run it. Come on now, where'd you go? Oh. Make sure we get them all in. There you go. Now, we're not going to tighten it down just yet. We just want to safely run it. Mm-hmm. Ground, round. There you go. Let's do it. And now, it's a lot of wires on there. I'm gonna have to dress this up. Definitely gonna have to dress it up. Run that to the fuse box. A lot of this stuff I'm gonna have to run to the fuse box. I still got 3 more. So if I take 3, there you go. That'll work. And you order something, and you just forget about it, and you be like, it'll show up sooner or later. And then one day, all of a sudden, it just shows up. That's what happens. Oops. Don't know how that happened. So I had before. But I guess I didn't. This one down. Put this one up. I don't like crossing. Hots and negatives, so. Always go back and make sure you got them all tight. Now this is 120 pounds of just batteries. Okay. Now, hook the solar back up. Well, getting up ain't as easy as it used to be, but that's okay. Now, what do we do with the? Oh, okay. Grabber. Let's see here. Is it charging? Yep. It's charging, and we got both batteries in there. So, yeah, we got a little bit of oomph here. So, that's it, folks. But later on, I'm going to do this. I got some lighter plugs coming in, and whenever they get here, I'm going to drill a couple of holes here, mount this, and plug my. But I got plenty of time. I mean, it's what, the 19th, September 19th. all the way to December. Yeah, so yeah, moving kind of slow. Let's cut this back on. And there we go. So stay tuned. More to come.